From FXEmpire, this is Chris taking a look at the British pound US dollar, and you can see we have kind of really done very little during this session. It looks like we're still kind of trying to figure out what we want to do with ourselves. And in that prism, it's a little difficult to put money to work, but it certainly looks as if 122.5 could be potential resistance. 123.5, 125, certainly 126. So I think it's more or less only a matter of time before we decide to start shorting again. But having said that, I also recognize this is a market that is going to continue to be very noisy and choppy. The Bank of England has already suggested that the UK is going to go into recession, so that's not necessarily going to be good for its currency, at least not yet. But they recently tightened. Whether or not they will have to continue to fight inflation and try to boost the economy itself, who knows? But at this point, the cooling CPI numbers in America, at least the short term reaction, has been to sell the dollar. Plenty of Fed officials have come out during the last 24 hours to say that that was the wrong read. So we'll see how that plays out. I do think that you'll get an opportunity. It just isn't set up quite yet.